Hello everyone, welcome again to our world, the world of mathematics. Here we help you to learn, love, and appreciate our world. Stop your negative thoughts towards mathematics. Be positive always. Be stress free and just enjoy. Have patience. Believe me, it's just easy as 1, 2, 3. Are you now ready to learn? We are now ready to kick off to our next topic, graph every function. Hi everyone, today I'm going to have a video that shows a graph of a function. So this video will tend to talk about graph of a function, how to illustrate a graph of a function, and what are the common terms used in graphing a function. So before we proceed to the graphing of a function or to illustrating graph of a function, we will now first discuss about the most important term needed in graphing a function. So what is the most important term needed? It is the table of values. I know that most of you know already what is table of values, but let me do a recap or a review about the table of values. So what is the table of values? A table of values is commonly observed when describing a function. So this shows the correspondence between a set of values of x, or the domain, and a set of values of y, or the range, in a tabular form. So here's an example. So we have given already the following values of x, which is -2, -1, 0, +1, and +2, with our function y is equal to 2x plus 1. What we are now going to do is to find the corresponding y values of the given x values. So what we are going to do now is to solve for it. So how are we going to solve for it? So we have, if x is -2, what is its y? So to solve for the y, copy first the given function, which is y is equal to 2x plus 1, then substitute the given value of x, which is -2. So we have y is equal to 2 times the value of x, which is -2 plus 1. Then so for 2 times -2 is -4. So y is equal to -4 plus 1. So -4 plus 1 is equal to 3. So our y is equal to -3. So therefore, if your x is -2, your y will be -3, given the function y is equal to 2x plus 1. Same with the other values of x. X is -1, our y is equal to -1. If x is equal to 0, our y is equal to +1. If x is equal to 1, our y will be +3. And if x is equal to 2, our y will be +5. So we have already completed our table of values for our function y is equal to 2x plus 1. So this is our table of values for your function y is equal to 2x plus 1. So the vertical line test. What is a vertical line test? So a vertical line test is a graph that represents a function if and only if each vertical line intersects the graph once or at one point of the graph. So for example, this graph, we have the y-axis and x-axis. We have the graph, the vertical line, and the point of intersection. As you can see, there's only one point of intersection, so it will satisfy the given condition in the vertical line test. So therefore, given the graph, this is a function because there's only one intersection between the graph and the vertical line. Next, You have this one, the y-axis, again the x-axis, the graph. The vertical line and the point of intersections. So as you can see, there are 3 points of intersections on the given graph. So therefore, it will not satisfy the given condition by the vertical line test to consider it as a function. So therefore, the graph is not a function because there's more than one intersection between the graph and the vertical line. So what is the importance of table of values of a function? So the importance of table of values of a function is to identify its ordered pairs. For example, this one. We have the values of x and the values of y. So based on the table of values that we have, we can now identify what are the ordered pairs of the given function. So we have -2, -3, -1, -1, 0 and +1, +1, +3, +2, +5. So table of values shows the ordered pairs of a given function. So that is the importance of a table of values. It is easy now for you to identify the ordered pairs if you have a table of values. So what is the use of those ordered pairs in graphing a function? So ano na yung magiging silbi nun for ng ordered pairs na yun in graphing a function? So simply use the ordered pair to plot the points and connect the points on the Cartesian plane. Kasi kung di mo alam yung mga ordered pairs ng function mo, hindi mo din ma-identify kung ano-ano yung mga points or saan mo ilalagay yung mga points na i-connect mo to form a graph on the Cartesian plane. Like this. So based on our info kanina, based on the table above, we have the following ordered pairs. Yung kanina lang, -2, -3, -1, -1, 0, 1, 1, 3, 2, 5. So the proper way of illustrating a ordered pairs is an open parenthesis followed by the value of x, comma, then the value of y, then close parenthesis. So yan lang siya. So now we are going to plot the points. How are we going to plot the points? Let's have first the first ordered pair, -2, -3. So the most efficient and useful way is to make first a broken line on the given values sa ordered pair. For example, -2. We'll now have first a vertical line na naka-align siya dun sa value of x. Then followed with the value of y, -3. So -3, draw a broken line in horizontal way. So ganyan. Then find its intersection. Yan. Kung nasan yung intersection niya, dun mo na i-plot yung points mo. Yung point mo, I mean. So that point will now be your -2, -3. Same with the other ordered pairs. We have -1, -1. The intersection, then plot the point. Same with the other one, 0, 1. So, pag 0, 1 or yung x variable yung 0, yung point mo is nasa align sa y-axis. Pero kung y value ang 0, yung point mo will be aligned with the x-axis. So, yun yung pinaka-strategy doon kung saan mo ilalagay yung point mo, lalong-lalo na kung may 0. Always be careful with that one. Next is nag 1 and 3. Yan, point of intersection, plot the point. Then 3, 5. Point of intersection, then the point. So yan. So after mong i-plot lahat ng points, you will now have going to connect the points. So, i-connect mo na sila isa-isa. You will now connect those points with each other then to form a graph na. Yun yung last step na kailangan mong gawin is to connect the points. So after plotting the points of the set of ordered pairs, we will now connect the points. Connect muna sila. So as you can see, you can form a straight line. Straight inclined line siya. Naka-diagonal line. So it is a linear function. So linear function na siya. So this is now the graph of a function y is equal to 2x plus 1. Our exponent here is 1 since imaginary magiging imaginary siyang may 1 kasi 1. So automatically your graph will be a linear, naka-linear. It's either diagonal siya, diagonal form, naka-inclined form, or vertical or horizontal siyang form. So depende lang siya. So remember, always be careful in making the table of values, especially in finding the values of y, yung range natin, kasi one wrong value will lead to wrong illustrations of graph of a function. So kahit isa lang dun yung magkamali, ibang-iba talaga yung kalalabasan ng graph of function mo. So always be careful. Always then be careful with the signs, especially sa mga negative, positive. So mostly yung tinatanong is, always ba na pag positive ang x, magiging positive din yung y? The answer will be no. It depends on the given function. Kasi mayroong mga function na kahit positive yung x mo, the result will be negative. Pero yung magiging permanent lang doon is yung magiging position niya is pataas. Always siyang increasing. Increasing siya lagi, hindi siya decreasing. Yun lang yung you need to always remember those terms kasi yun yung mga commonly mistakes, especially in graphing a functions. Always be careful, remember that note, and don't forget it. So hope you learn, guys. Keep learning and appreciating mathematics. Thank you for watching this one. So see you in our next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.